We started yesterday's episode with a little bit of myth busting, so why not do it again? This time we'll talk about misconceptions around learning. And according to one study, even educators believe these 7 myths. As reported by How Stuff Works, this study looked at results from a true or false survey taken by more than 3,000 respondents. There were 3 groups of participants who took the survey. One was the general public, one was general educators, and one was people who had taken college neuroscience courses, what the study called people with high neuroscience exposure. And these myths are so pervasive, they were believed by 68% of the general public, 56% of educators, so yeah, more than half, and 46% of the neuroscience exposed group, which is pretty close to half too. Here are the 7 myths. First, individuals learn better when they receive information in their preferred learning style. Sorry, but research has shown those don't exist. Second, children have learning styles that are dominated by a particular sense, like hearing or seeing. Again, no. Third, a common sign of dyslexia is seeing letters backwards. There is actually no evidence of this. Fourth, listening to classical music increases children's reasoning ability. If only. Talk about an easy way to give your kids an edge, am I right? But no, it's not true. Fifth, children are less attentive after they have sugary drinks or snacks. Turns out that's just false association. The 6th myth, people can be left-brained or right-brained, and that helps explain learning differences. We've done whole podcast episodes on how the left brain, right brain thing is just plain wrong. So yeah, that one's also a myth. And 7th, we only use 10% of our brain. Turns out there are loads of evidence that all the parts of our brain are always active. Otherwise, if you had brain damage, there would be a 90% chance nothing bad would come from it, right? The point of this study wasn't to make you feel dumb, so please don't if you didn't know any of these things. Instead, the researchers are hoping they can help educators set people straight and share more accurate information in the future. We don't know what we don't know. So don't let these myths discourage you. Think of it as an opportunity to think smarter, not harder.